Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP DeskJet 2700e all-in-one series printer on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to locate or search for HP DeskJet 2700e all-in-one series drivers. Best result should be from a support.hp webpage here that says HP DeskJet 2700e all-in-one series drivers and software. Go ahead and open that up. And then on this page, you want to scroll down and expand underneath installation software and drivers and select the Easy Start Printer Setup here and the download button. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file to run it. Should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then proceed with the setup wizard here. So you can read about the HP Easy Start. It's basically going to help you set up your necessary files in order to set up your printer and connect your printer to the network. So you can accept or decline the optional data. If you're using additional tools and features in this application, you may want to accept all of these items. Otherwise, you can decline optional data. And then just follow along with the on-screen directions here. Make sure you follow along with exactly what's prompting you here. So if you have a wireless connection for your printer, make sure you've entered in your Wi-Fi credentials into your printer so that it can connect to this application here. And then you should follow along again with the on-screen directions here for your specific situation. And that's all you would have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.